When industry and individuals come together in support of a common goal, beautiful things can happen. Let's be honest. Regardless of the politics involved, all of us desire a clean environment for future generations. The automotive industry is a leader in helping to fulfill those promises. Your recommendations as a trusted service advisor have a great deal of influence in many of your customers' purchasing and lifestyle decisions. From oil reclamation to tire retreading to parts including alternators, transmissions, and even engines being rebuilt, this is already one of the most environmentally friendly industries there is. But of all the products you come across in your daily shop operations, the most environmentally friendly is the lead battery. Now, if you're surprised to hear that, imagine how your customers must feel. The fact is, when done properly in the right facilities, lead batteries are virtually 100% recyclable. Penn Manufacturing has launched a unique environmental campaign, Power2Recycle, that aims to highlight the partnerships between the lead battery industry and the public, and the importance of proper recycling, especially when it comes to batteries. It emphasizes how everyone can help the industry support resource conservation, integrated recycling, and carbon reduction technologies. Penn has led innovations in lead recycling that have become a model for the lead recycling industry. Every day, more than 20 truckloads of used lead batteries are dismantled, separated, and recycled. The lead is smelted and then refined for use in new batteries and lead parts. The plastic cases and covers are cleaned, ground, extruded, and molded into new plastic parts in an on-site injection molding division. Using a highly exclusive acid reclamation process, the battery acid is reclaimed in the company's acid reclamation plant, the first in the industry. Penn uses millions of gallons of reclaimed acid in new batteries, avoiding acid disposal and conserving groundwater use. Even the residual sulfur that results from the lead recycling process is trapped and processed into liquid fertilizer solution. As part of its 100% recycling goal, Penn collects the heat from its furnaces to warm its buildings in cold weather. As proof of the effectiveness of the right recycling partnerships, Penn's line of transportation batteries has been validated by Underwriters Laboratories, UL, with an allocation of 98% recycled material, the highest UL recycled content validation for batteries in the world. As part of this campaign, Penn has created a Power2Recycle webpage that provides information regarding the crucial role each of us play in the circular economy of lead batteries. We're all in this together, and we each play an important role in building a sustainable future. As the lead battery industry and consumers continue to work together, an act as simple as recycling a battery strengthens an already well-established circular economy and helps to safely power the next generation. To learn more about how your customers and your shop have the power to recycle, visit eastpennmanufacturing.com/power2recycle. Thanks for doing your part.